Cycle Solutions is your one-stop shop for upgrades and service. Cycle Solutions, Fort Myers, and CycleSolutions.com. Taking your bike from the street to the strip.
Hello, this is Chris Waddell from Cycle Solutions. I'm coming to you from sunny Galveston, Texas. It's cold.
Yeah, baby.
I just want to introduce the Iride. We're now doing, and have been doing for quite a while, but this morning I'm doing an Iride air ride for this fella that is height challenged. So I want to talk about this because instead of putting a great big mess of airlines that are constantly leaking, I wanted to show you the Iride's airlines. So they're there. Yep, you see it. That's the entire Iride airline system. This has an onboard compressor. It has the intelligent ride control, and it has a great big air canister. And this controls the height using the potentiometer, up, down, whatever height you want to set it on. On the handlebar, you got the control center. You can monitor engine functions, ride height. It does a variety of things. This is a really cool system. We sell a lot of them. And if you're going to buy an air ride and you want it to do just that, ride on air, this is the one to have. When you come to a stop, it goes to the ground and go down the road, it rides up to a normal height. You're not constantly adjusting it because it does it for you. On the left side of the bike, JRI, shock manufacturer, manufactures an actual coil-over performance shock, much like the ones that we put as a pair on bikes. So JRI builds this, and it's valved especially for being able to lower up and down. But this right here controls the rebound and compression. And you have the same clicker they're famous for. It's got about 36 clicks of adjustment from super soft to super firm. We can add different springs for different maximum weight ratings. So if you eat a few too many cheeseburgers and you need a bigger spring, we got those in stock. It's an easy switch. You can also adjust the sag with the tool that's provided right here by the sag collar. Finished up the thundermax Iride intelligent ride control. As you can see on the back of the bike, we're at its lowest point, unless I add some weight on the air canister. You got your ride control. This particular rod back here does the telemetry, knows how high it is. That's your compressor. You got about 1 foot total length of airlines. Very few problems. On the other side, you have the fully adjustable JRI Iride coilover. This man can add more sag to it by compressing the spring, heavier springs, soft to hard. Very clean installation. You don't have a whole bunch of monkey business going on. And then up here, we have the Iride control module. This is not hooked to a ThunderMax, so it's not going to do all kinds of extra stuff if it was hooked to a ThunderMax, but it controls the Iride. So right now, it's in its lowest point. You see the system pressure in the rear. I'm going to go ahead and ask it to raise up to full ride height. I have it set for about 3 inches. What that means is when it's going down the road, you're riding it at a normal ride height. Very comfortable, lots of suspension compliance. Hit a bump, it absorbs it. Unlike your typical air ride system, which is like, riding on a log wagon, in my opinion. If you want to load this bike into a trailer like this, you'd put it in its upright position here, where you could clear a ramp or whatever. So we're going to simulate coming to a stop. So as you come to a stop, the speedometer there is telling this through the CAN bus that you're coming to a stop, so it'll start dropping it. Just like that. So the shorter riders, feet flat on the ground, it's a very simple system. You can set it for whatever you want. Rear setup, fixed is 3 inches right now. I could raise or lower it anywhere I wanted. Highways 2 3/8, so let's just raise it. 2.5, 2 5/8. So there you go. Say you want it to be in the city, you want it to be an inch. Take it down. There's your inch, 5/8 stop. You can change your miles per hour. You want it to change speed. The little bouncing ball on the previous screen will show you when it's going to go up and when it's coming down. Go back. Go back. Inner gauges. There it is. Once again. Up, 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 and up. Full height, where I have it set, as it's coming to a stop. It's a great system, works flawlessly, has a 2-year warranty through ThunderMax, Integrates perfectly with the ThunderMax tuner. We appreciate you tuning in.
If you want to be notified when new videos from Cycle Solutions are released, hit the like and subscribe button and follow.